the longest, yeah, that's that second one down.
Nice if you have the right tools, of course. Canopy bracket, they're on.
See where they torch that bracket off, so they get their wrench in there.
Oh, nice, Trenton.
That was bound to happen, I think.
Yeah. So I'm going to go back to a comment in my earlier post there about we had not taken the filter apart yet, the transmission filter off the dash. And so now the guys have figured out there was no filter in that canister. I suspect that the fellow that we got it from probably had pulled that filter just to see what he could see about contaminants, and saw what he saw, which is what we saw. It's pretty ugly. This is a 11B series that we acquired, probably 20 years ago. It has a bad transmission and the engine is pretty well tired too. So we know that, and it's why it's sitting here. So it's going to turn into a donor tractor right now. And that's because I'm going to take the filter canister off here and see if the spring is in there that it shows in the parts book. We're not going to take apart any of the other good tractors, we hope. So that's where we're going. We're going in here to see if we can find a spring. Okay, filter's off. Can't tell if there's anything inside. There is a filter inside. Wasn't any oil. We get it back over to the main shop and let them dissect it. Okay, this is how I travel around and fetch parts. Got a helper. Hootie, what do you got to say? He pretty much knows where all these parts are, and so that's why he has to go every time. So anyway, I don't know, we'll see here. spring.
Spring.
Huh. Yeah, I think we're going back to the drawing board. I think we got a different canister, really. I thought those part numbers were the same. Okay.